Good morning and Jai Hind students. This is the second video of landform of the world. Today we will discuss about the desert. What is desert? Desert are large, extremely dry areas of land. There is very little rainfall and very few little plants grow in desert. Desert have extreme temperature. Actually in summer the days are very hot and the nights are very cool in desert. In winter the days are cool and the nights are very cold. There are some example of deserts. This is the picture of Sahara Desert in Africa. First example is Sahara Desert in North Africa. It is the biggest desert in the world. Kalahari Desert in Southern Africa. Atacama Desert in South America and Thar Desert in India. Now we will discuss coast, peninsula, bay and island. Coast. What is the coast? A place where land meet the sea is called coast. Some coasts are sandy and straight, others are rocky. And what is the peninsula? A land masses which project into the sea surrounded by the water on three sides is called peninsula. As we can see in this picture is surrounded by the water from three sides. This is the peninsula. The southern part of our country is a peninsula. The tip of the peninsula is called Cape. And the southernmost tip of the Indian peninsula is called Cape Comorin. This is the picture of Sinai Peninsula in Egypt. What is the bay? Just opposite. The bay is the water body running into land and surrounded on three sides by land. Just opposite of the peninsula. Peninsula is surrounded by the water from three sides and bay is surrounded by the land from the three sides. The example of bay is the Bay of Bengal. This is the picture of Hanuma Bay, Oahu, Hawaii. Now island. Island is a land which is surrounded by water from all sides. Sri Lanka is an island. Andaman Nicobar Island in the Bay of Bengal are the group of islands which are the part of India. Australia is the world largest island. This is the picture of Robben Island in Southern Africa, South Africa. Now rivers. You know very well rivers. Long stream of water are called rivers. There are two types of rivers: perennial rivers and seasonal rivers. Perennial rivers, which are formed by the glaciers, which are melting snow in glaciers, they form the water, make a perennial river, and they have the water throughout the year, are called perennial river. And just opposite, seasonal river. Rivers are formed by the rainwater. When the rain come, then this type of the river formed. They do not have the water throughout the year. Such rivers are called seasonal river. Now we will discuss about the tributaries. This is the picture of tributaries join the main river. Along the courses of river, several small rivers join the main river. They are called tributaries. The other way, the getting deposit on the way, the cause the river to breaks up into the channels. The river to breaks up to the channels is called distributaries. These spread out like a triangle before falling into the sea, such as region of is called a delta. The Nile in Egypt is the longest river in the world. Some important rivers are Mississippi in USA, Congo in Africa, and Ganga in India. Now, sometimes this question is asking by the students. When we study history, we find that most civilization develop along the river. Why is it that so? So, most of the in history we find that great civilization have always developed along the river, as the soil is richest here, and the river provide water for drinking, domestic, and agriculture purpose. So most of the civilization develop along the river. Thank you.